Multiplying rational numbers, example 3. Find 1/3 times negative 2.75. We need to write this in simplest form. Because the factors are written in different forms, you first need to rewrite them in the same form. Because 1/3 repeats in non-zero digits, write the second factor as a mixed number. So instead of the negative 2.75, it needs to become negative 2 3/4. Next, we need to put it in improper fraction form. So we would get 2 times 4 is 8, plus 3 is 11. So 1/3 times negative 11/4. Then we multiply 1 times negative 11 and 3 times 4 to get negative 11/12. So our final answer is negative 11/12. Example number 4, evaluate 1/2 AB if A is 1 3/7 and B is negative 4/9. Write it in simplest form. Well, first we need to rewrite it as 1/2 times 1 3/7 times negative 4/9. Our next step is to put that whole number, make it into an improper fraction, or the mixed number as an improper fraction. It becomes 10/7. Now, if we're going to keep multiplying, we're going to take the first two of our fractions, and we are going to see that they both have 2 in common. So in simplifying that, we would get 1/1 and 5/7. Then we're going to multiply straight across. So we would get 5 times negative 4 is negative 20. 7 times 9 is 63. So my final answer is negative 20/63. In our last example, we need to evaluate 1/4 x times y times z. If x equals 9.5, y equals negative 0.8, and z is 2 1/5. Then we need to write it as a decimal. So we've written the expression down. Now we are going to replace the expression with our numbers for x, y, and z. We need to replace x with 9.5, y with negative 0.8, and z with 2 1/5. All right, next step. I either need to use decimals or fractions. The book's deciding to use decimals, so I know that 1/5 of something, if I multiplied by 2 on my fraction, I would get 2/10. So I'm going to replace that with 2.2. All right, now our final step is to put it into our calculator, multiply straight across, and we get negative 4.18.